Yeah, when you called me to give you a hand there, I thought you were just wanted me to come out and help secure shingles that were flying away or something.
I don't care about the shingles that are blowing up that are loose up there.
Wow, that looks horrible. That's a climbing rope that's meant to stretch. It's not going to hold all that much. The fire department's not going to do much about it.
Huh?
The fire department won't be able to do anything about it either.
Well, they might have rope or something. That's all they can do. They might be able to do better, right? Stabilize.
Yeah, by the time they're even better off going to buy some more rope.
Well, Yvonne is calling them right now. If they're here, we'll have to go straight down there and get some rope. Up there.
Got 3 ropes securing it now. Two of them going to the base of that tree down there. One of them going to the pole over there. And just so long as this tree will stay up through the windstorm. That's sure getting big though. It's a lot bigger now.
Yeah, it is.